Hello everyone, my name is Dennis. Welcome to Barista Experience YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you all how to steam a proper textured milk. As a standard of good textured milk should describe as glossy white and also smooth texture and not much of bubbles on top. For steam temperature, we will usually steam around the range of 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. Now in order to teach you how to steam the milk, there will be 3 steps. So the way to hold a milk pitcher is very simple. For me, I will use 2 fingers in. Now if you want to, you can put 3 fingers. But the point here is not to have any contact between your finger skin and the pitcher over here while steaming because it might be very hot. The posture that about to steam, right? How you hold the milk pitcher will be facing forward and hold it flat like so. And while you turn on the steam, your palm should be placed right at the side. Steam tip position is very important for you to create a great texture of milk. So if not, you might mess up the milk texture as well. So that will affect the taste of your milk coffee. So what we'll do usually is to point let's say this is the steam one. I point right in about 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock range for the steam one. So it will push and swirl the milk. So you get more polish of the milk, you get sweeter textured milk. For steam procedure is pretty simple, only have 2 steps. After turn on the steam, what you need to do is pull down your pitcher about 2 mm and then to make the chirping sound, and then put back up about 2 mm to let it swirl, silent and swirl. So I call these 2 steps down for foam and up for swirl. So we only focus on the pitcher itself. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you learned something from our content. And until then, I'll see you next time.